Here we have a 5-bedroom, very wide, 4-bathroom oceanfront condo. The living room is huge. So living room, dining room through here, you can see sliding glass that opens onto a terrace. That's the entryway to 3 of the bedrooms. There's stairs for the 2nd level. Kitchen is through here. Little breakfast bar. Overlooking a dining area, living room area, and pool table. You just can't resist walking out onto this terrace. Overlooking the pool, great beach. Amazing. Going through the main floor bedroom area. It's private because it is separated by a door from the living dining area. On the right, there's a bedroom with a bathroom. Ensuite. Another guest bedroom here, good size. 3rd guest bedroom right here. And a guest bathroom between them. Walk-in shower. Coming back out and heading upstairs. These views are just incredible, even from the side. Upstairs. So coming up the stairs, there's a little wet bar, kitchen area, and then a massive terrace. A 2nd massive terrace. Has a full outdoor sitting area. Chairs overlooking the ocean. 2nd full outdoor seating area and a bar area. Just incredible living space, and the waves sound amazing. So walking back in to the 2nd floor, we have a half bath here. I'll walk through to a bedroom with an ensuite bath, really oversized. This is a huge bedroom that has sliding glass doors again onto that same 2nd floor terrace. The size of this room is incredible. The last room, the 5th bedroom, is bigger again, also with an ensuite bathroom. So you can see they easily have 2 king-size beds in here and room for more if needed. So there we have it. Stunning 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom condo on 2 levels. 5,000 square feet. Really an exceptional piece of property.